Welcome in lecture 1 part A. In this playlist we will solve and discuss the indeterminate forms and the questions which are asked in your examination. In part A, I will solve some indeterminate forms and 4 questions of 0 by 0 forms. So first of all, what is indeterminate form? So what is indeterminate forms? Suppose you are saying x square by 4 by x minus 2 and limit x tend to 2. So here this is your numerator and this is your denominator function. If I said this is your f of x and this is your g of x, if I put the limit in both the functions, so limit x tend to 2, f of x will be equal to 0, and similarly limit x tend to 2, g of x, if you put 2 minus 2 here, so this will gives you 0 form. So when you put the limit in the numerator part and the denominator part of your rational function, and if it is 0 by 0, then this form is known as indeterminate forms. Okay, so this is your definitions. Here I wrote an example. So in that case we can't calculate the limit directly by putting the limit in above part and the below part. So to apply the rules of limit, there is a conditions that the lower term, this limit in the rational part of your function, is not equal to 0. Okay, so if the limits are applied for the given functions, so it will becomes a 0 by 0 form. So this form is known your indeterminate forms, and we can't apply directly the rules of limit. In that case we need some further calculations. So first of all we will learn what are the different forms of indeterminate form, and then give the examples. So there is 0 by 0 form, and infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity की power 0, 0 की power infinity, and 1 की power infinity. And it was first published by the L'Hospitals. So this form is handled by this Hospital rules. First we will see what is this and then solve the questions. For L'Hospitals rules, now the 0 by 0 form and other forms are also handled by this rule. There is a theorem f of x and gx both are the differentiable functions at x equal to a, and the value of the function at a is 0 here. Then this expression, this limit expression, will be equal to limit x tend to a f dash of x by g of x. So to define this one, I am taking f of x by g of x. Here is minus 0 minus 0. In place of 0 you can say f of x minus f of a divided by g of x minus g of a. Now divide and multiply by this expression by x minus a. So this expression becomes derivative of f function at a by taking the limit. So first take the limit of this expression, then take the limit of this expression by taking the limit on the left hand side. So this becomes this term with limit this term, it gives you this expression, and g of x gives this expression. As you know, this is the definition of derivative of the function. So it is derivative of the function f at a, and this expression is derivative of function at g function at a. Now the g dash at a should not be equal to 0 when you are evaluating your limit. So in place of this one I can say this is limit x tend to a f dash of x by g dash of x. Now if this expression if this g dash at a is not equal to 0, suppose this value is also again 0 by 0 form, in that case this limit expression is again equal to limit x tend to a. You will take the derivative of this numerator term and the derivative of this denominator term until this expression becomes not equal to 0. In general form, suppose you are taking 3 derivative, 4 derivative and 5th derivative, so the last expression in general case you can write here limit x tend to a f of x, limit x tend to a f of x dx is equal to limit x tend to a, suppose it's n minus 1th derivative 0, and I'm taking here the nth derivative of the below term, यानी कि आपका denominator that should be not equal to 0. In that case your limit expression will becomes fn मतलब nth derivative of this function gn मतलब n derivative of g function and limit x tend to a. So this is nothing but this is f of n at a over gn at a, and the condition on gn is this one. Okay, now let us take the example of indeterminate form. First of all, 0 by 0 form. So these are the examples. As you know, the limit of this one, limit x tend to a 0 sin x by x. You already have calculated this value of the limit in your +2 class, and the expression for this one is limit is 1. Then the second example, if you put x is equal to a, this is again 0 by 0 form, and sin 5x by sin 3x limit x tend to 0, this also 0 by 0 form. In +2 class you have solved all these 3 questions by the another way, but in BSc you will solve all these by L'Hopital rules. Okay, करेंगे हम नेक्स्ट. इसके बाद मैं क्वेश्चन करवाऊंगी 0 by 0 फॉर्म के applying the derivative. You can also do this here. Suppose you want to calculate this limit and you don't know that expression value is 1. In that case you will write just the derivative of sin x and the derivative of x. This becomes cos of x, and cos 0 is 1, so answer of this one is 1 limit. Similarly you can calculate these 2 expression also. Next is your another form of indeterminate is infinity by infinity. It means when you put the expression values, your above term यानी कि numerator as well as denominator, this becomes infinity by infinity. This is infinity cube minus 8 infinity square and so on. So this is the example of infinity by infinity form. Now the next example is 0 into infinity form. This is the example. Here is x and tangent of 1 by x. This is 1 by x. So when you put x is equal to infinity, so this expression gives you infinity, and tangent 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is 0, tangent 0 is 0, so this is 0 into infinity. Okay? Then there is infinity minus infinity form. The example for this one is 1 by x square. When you put x is equal to 0, 1 by 0 is infinity, and 1 by sine of 0 square. So 1 by this again 0, so 1 by 0 is infinity, so this is infinity minus infinity form, and this is your second example of infinity minus infinity form. Then there is infinity power 0. Suppose here cosine 0 you know that is 0, so 1 by sine 0, that is cosecant 0. Cosecant 0 is infinity, and 1 by 0 is infinity. Here you will take x here, not 1 by x. Suppose this is your x. So infinity power 0 is, this is infinity power 0 form. Okay? Then cot of x 1 by log x. Log 0 is undefined, so 1 by infinity is 0. So cot of x, cot x is cos x by sin x. So cos x, cos 0 is 1. So this is 1 by 0 is infinity, and this is 0. Similarly there is a 0 form and 1 key infinity form. So these are your various form of indeterminate, known as indeterminate forms. Let us take two questions. One is simple and second is most important question, and I will give the PDF of these lectures and other important questions in the link. You can download this PDF, the link given in the description box. The question is, evaluate limit x tend to 0 tangent inverse x की power 2 upon log of 1 plus x square. When I put tangent inverse 0 is 0, so this is 0 की power 2, so it becomes 0, and log of 1 plus 0, that is log of 1, and log 1 is 0, so it is 0 by 0 form. Okay, so when this is 0 by 0 form, I can apply the L'Hopital rules. So this limit expression will be equal to, now you will take the differentiation of this one. When you differentiate the numerator term, the power 2 tangent inverse x power 1 into में derivative of tangent inverse x, and derivative of tangent inverse x is 1 over 1 plus x square. Then this term, you will write the derivative of this term also, log of 1 plus x square, this is 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus 2x, which is 2x. These are the derivative of your numerator functions and the denominator functions. So after cancelling this term by this one, 2 by 2, I obtain limit x tend to 0, and this 2 cancel out हो गया, tangent inverse x is here, this x is here. Again when I put x equal to 0, this is again a 0 by 0 form. Again apply the L'Hopital rules. This limit expression, this expression now equal to, again the derivative of tangent inverse x, which is the tangent inverse x का derivative क्या होता है, this is 1 over 1 plus x square, and x का derivative is 1. ठीक है, now I am again putting the value, this is 1 over 1 plus 0, and this gives you 0 answer. ठीक है, so in this way you can apply the L'Hopital rules in the indeterminate form, which is 0 by 0. Now the second question, which is important questions. The statement is, evaluate this limit e की x minus e की power sin x upon x minus sin x. So first of all you will find the f of x, and this is your g of x. F of x is e की x minus e की sin x, and your g of x is x minus sin x. Okay, when I put limit on the both expressions, e की 0 is 1, e की sin 0 is e की 0, that is again 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So function at 0 is equal to 0 here, and g at 0, 0 minus sin 0, that is 0, the 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is again a 0 value. So we can apply the L'Hopital rules in this limit expressions. So this expression now equal to limit x tend to 0, I will write here the derivative of this function. Now differentiation of e की power x, e की power x differentiation is e की x minus exponential derivative e की sin x is same into my derivative of inside term. Who is inside term here? Inside term is here sin x, so I wrote here differentiation of sin x. Okay, and this term here, this line is here, sorry, and g of x, derivative of this x का derivative क्या आएगा, that is 1, and minus sin x का derivative क्या बनेगा, cos x. Okay, now I simplify, limit x tend to 0 as it is, e की x as it is, minus e की sin x as it is, derivative of sin x is क्या होता है, cos x, right? So you write here cos x and 1 minus of cos x. Now I will put again the limit in both expressions. E की 0 again 1, cos 0 is 1, e की 0 is 1, so it is 1 minus 1, so again this is 0. ठीक है, So अब lower term 1 minus cos 0 is 1, तो 1 minus 1 is 0. Again this is 0 by 0 form. Now again apply the L'Hopital rules. So I will write the differentiation of above function. E k x का derivative is e k x minus here u into v form. So when you apply the u into v form, this is first function as it is. Cos x का derivative क्या होता है? Minus sin x. So I wrote it here. Plus this cos x is as it is. E की sin x का derivative e की sin x into cos x. And this gives cos square x. Okay. Now 1 का derivative is 0. Cos x का minus sin x. Minus minus becomes plus. So this is sin x. Now I apply again the limit. This is 1, 0 and 1. 1 minus 1 again. Again this is 0 by 0 form. Because sin 0 is 0. Okay. So now again apply L'Hopital rule. So differentiate this with respect to x. So this is limit x tend to 0. So the e की x का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? e की x minus this is e की sin x. So before applying the rule, first I will write this in this form. I am writing it like this, sin x, and this is cos square x. I am not applying this rule now. I am just writing this expression in the simplified form, that is sin of x here. This minus gives you plus. When you apply this limit x tend to 0, this is e की power sin x into में sin x by sin x, this gives you 1. ठीक है. अब limit expression of this one, e की 0 is 1, so this limit expression is 1. So this expression becomes this one. Again this is 0 by 0 form. I have solved the first part. So now applying L'Hopital rule again, differentiate above term and below term. Derivative of sin x is now here cos of x, and this e की sin x cos square x, its derivative is this expression. ठीक है. Now put the limit x tend to 0. Here e की 0 is 1 minus e की 0 1. This is 0, so I wrote it here, plus this expression is 1. Lower term is 1 and plus sign plus 1, and this 1 is 1 here. ठीक है. अब यहाँ क्या बनेगा? This is 1 into 0 0, so it is 1. This minus sign is minus 1, तो 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 by 1 is 0. ठीक है. Plus का 1, so this expression is 1. So my answer is 1 here. Similarly, there is another question. You can solve this question also. So I have solved on the same line. This is your solution part. Here the limit again 0 by 0 form. So I differentiate this. Again check the form 0 by 0 form. Again differentiate. This becomes this one. I take common sin x from here. This becomes this expressions. I take this limit with this expression. I take this limit with this expressions. There is not the limit. So I wrote this limit expression, this function as well as this function. ठीक है. So when I take these expressions, so this is 1, this term, limit of this and limit of this. This limit is minus 1 and this is the above expressions. So its limit is 0. So the answer is minus 1. Let us take one more important question. Evaluate the limit x tend to b, x की power b minus b की power x upon x की power x minus b की power b. Again when I check here, your numerator is this function and denominator is this functions. Now I put x is equal to b. This gives b की power b minus b की power b. So this is 0, and b की power b minus b की power b, this is again 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. So you will apply the L'Hopital rule. So when I apply L'Hopital rule, I am taking the differentiation of these functions. Now you should know what is the derivative of x ki power b here. The derivative of x ki power b is b x ki power b minus a. So in the first expression I wrote b x ki power b minus a. Now b ki power x, the derivative of this expression is, ये एक्सपोनेंशियल है तो दिस रिमेन्स द सेम. सो b की x इंटू में लोगरिथम ऑफ द बेस यानी कि b. ठीक है, तो इन प्लेस ऑफ b की पावर x यू विल राइट हियर b की पावर x log of b. नाउ द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x की पावर x, d बाई डी एक्स ऑफ x की पावर x, दिस डेरिवेटिव इज, क्या होता है इसका डेरिवेटिव, x की पावर x इंटू में 1 प्लस ऑफ log x. You should remember the formulas to differentiate the x ki power x. So in place of this derivative, I am taking the derivative of these expressions. So x ki power x derivative is x ki power x 1 plus log x, and this is your constant term. You are differentiating with respect to x, so this value is minus 0. So I am trying to put the values. Let us take, देखिए b की पावर b 1 plus log of b, this expression is not equal to 0, so I am putting the limits. तो here it gives b की पावर b माइनस ऑफ 1 माइनस b की पावर b एंड log of b. ठीक है, इन प्लेस ऑफ x आई एम राइटिंग दिस लिमिट x इज इक्वल टू b. सिमिलरली b की पावर b इज हेयर 1 प्लस log of b हेयर. ठीक है, तो दिस इज योर लिमिट. नाउ b की पावर b माइनस 1 b की पावर 1, तो दिस एक्सप्रेशन गिव्स b की पावर b, क्योंकि इसकी पावर 1 और इसकी माइनस 1 ये आप कैंसिल कर देंगे, माइनस log ऑफ b log b, b की पावर b और log b यू रोट इट हेयर, b की पावर b हेयर 1 प्लस log b हेयर. नाउ टेक b की पावर b आउटसाइड, तो दिस इज b1 माइनस log ऑफ b हेयर and this expression as it is. Cancel out this by this and the remaining is this expressions. So this is the required answer of your limit. Now one more example, you have already solved this question in your plus 2. Just divide and multiply by x and then multiply a and b, but here we will solve this question by using L'Hopital rules. ठीक है, तो हाउ, देखिए आपका f ऑफ x क्या है, यहाँ पर साइन ऑफ ए एक्स है और g ऑफ x कौन है, b ऑफ x है. तो व्हेन आई पुट x इक्वल टू 0, साइन 0 इज 0, कॉस साइन 0 इज 0, तो दिस इज 0 बाई 0 फॉर्म. So apply the L'Hopital rule. You will differentiate sine of ax, the sine derivative is cos of ax, into derivative of this inside term, that is a. Similarly derivative sin x is cos bx and inside term ka derivative is b. Now cos 0 you know that is 1, so in place of this you obtained 1, in place of this you obtained 1, so this limit gives you a by b answer. ठीक है, similarly there is one important question, simple question है, evaluate the limit extend to 0 sine of limit extend to 0 log of 1 plus x over x. This is the formula of limit directly. So when you put x equal to 0, log 1 is 0 and x is equal to 0, this is again 0 by 0 form. So apply the L'Hopital rule. So this is log, derivative is 1 by 1 plus x and derivative of x is 1. Now you can put the limit here. This limit is 1 over 1 plus 0. So this is 1. Okay. In the next lecture we will solve another questions from your exercise, and in the coming lectures we will solve infinity by infinity form, 0 to infinity form, and the last exercise question also. Thank you.